Hello guys. So today I want to talk about the startup conferences. So as you might be aware that you might be receiving tons of emails from different corners of the country or maybe outside the country where people are saying that the largest conference in the India or largest conference in the world, largest conference in the whole universe kind of mail. But my personal experience is that most of the startup conferences are useless and waste of time and money as well. So if you have a startup conference, let's say you are in Delhi and you have a conference in Bangalore, and you're thinking that you'll travel to that Bangalore and buy a 5,000 rupees ticket, that's really a waste of time and money. We would rather recommend you to not pursue any startup conference until unless you have a face-to-face direct meeting fixed, right? And also, if you want to attend a startup conference, I would suggest to go in the second half so that you don't have to get the registration done or something like that and enter into the conference, because nobody cares about who is entering to the conference once the startup conference is actually has actually started. So let's say if the startup conference is starting at 10, you should go to around 12 or 1 so that you can enter for free and save your 5,000 rupees. And also not to travel with the high expenses for the particular startup conference thinking that you'll get a tons of business, because the problem in these startup conferences are that everybody is there to sell, nobody is there to buy, right? So you will be the person who will be selling. So if there is no one to buy, you will definitely not be able to sell at all. Yes, you can get some good connections which might be helpful to pursue in the future, but my experience, 99% of the conferences in India are not useful and not at all worth investing money and pursue the options. You better work at your home, focus on your laptop and do your work, because that will give you more results than the spending money in the startup conferences. And honestly, I believe that people who build the company or build the product, they actually spend less time in those conferences and focus more on building. And once it is done and once it is built, you have a tons of platform like open platform like Facebook, LinkedIn, where you can actually talk about your product. So I will highly recommend not to waste and time and money. It's all useless. Bunch of hungry salesmen looking to sell their solutions, right? And they all gather at one place. That's how the startup conferences are, and that's it. That's my feedback for today. And this is a practical advice to entrepreneurs from my side. Thank you.